Hello, everyone. Today we are going to be looking at Microsoft Designer, a free image editing application that is built into all Windows systems running Windows 10 and up, which would, as of now, be Windows 10 and 11. You have access to this just through Windows completely. You don't have to buy anything. You don't even have to Google it. You can just open up your Windows key and boom, it's right here. But enough of that. Let's get started on the actual image editing applications of this site. So say you have your image pulled up here. I have pulled up a picture of some flowers near the hill where I live. And so some of the options that you have within this image editing website are you can crop and rotate the image by using the crop feature over here. And this allows you to change the rotation of the image, so you can make it horizontal if you want, and then using this slider down here at the bottom, you can change it to however you want it to look. Set it back to 0, how it could look on your average iPhone or something like that. There's also an auto crop feature. Once you have something selected, it can change it to match the image the best. And then of course you can go back to your original crop and with the auto crop still in effect. Change it more, zoom in or out, change it to however you want it to be, and then you can change the cropping just like that. It's as simple as a button click. And there's a little undo button here at the top, as for most image editing websites. You have adjustments which include things like brightness, which can really change how your image looks. And there's a little reset button right up here to change everything back to 0. You have your contrast button, which increases the intensity or decreases the intensity of shadows in the image. Saturation, which brightens some of the colors in the image. So it goes from looking like this, which is a little sad and gray considering I took this during a storm, to this, which feels much more alive. And then you combine this with a higher contrast. This image looks a lot better than our crappy old regular image that we had to work with. Now, over here, you have text options, and they have a lot of different styles of text that you can add onto the image. So let's pick one, party time. So here, it gives you your input, and then all you have to do is you click on it, backspace it, and then you can just go, love these flowers. Oop, I didn't spell that right. Today. Look how pretty that looks. And then you can just grab the text, overlay it wherever you want, and change the size of it. It's as easy as that. Then, other options that we have include markup. Now, this basically just allows you to draw on the image. So let's select orange. I'm sure that'll pop. And then, as you take your mouse and then using the left click, you can use the mouse to draw on it. So you could make a circle around the flowers. That looks awful. That's my own fault. But then you have your good old undo button right here at the top. But there's also the option for a straight line, which basically you click down and then you just drag it and let go. And it creates a straight line from wherever you initially clicked your cursor to the end. And of course, our good old friendly undo button here. And you can change the thickness and transparency of your lines as much as you wish. Another option we have are visuals. These allow you to add backgrounds or allow you to add just basically everything you want. You can, using AI, because a lot of Microsoft applications are powered with AI now, you can even just imagine images that you want to throw into the picture. Honestly, pretty ingenious. And then over here, you have your option to save the image in the top right-hand corner. And then you can save it as a copy of your original image, or you can also copy it to your clipboard to very easily Control-C, Control-V it wherever you desire.